Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 and 4 series, guys, video will be super helpful today, guys. We're going to explain where you can find and locate, guys, the module, the computer for the radiator fan on your BMW 3 and 4 series. As you know, 3 and 4 series, guys, they share the same platform. Many of the parts are the same. Engine-wise, they share the same engine. So any of you guys trying to find the radiator fan module, doesn't matter if you have a 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder, guys, diesel, gasoline engine, okay, the video will apply to all of that. Now, quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including, guys, this one here, we make more than 200 videos on every single one we get. On this 3 series BMW and 4 series, we will specifically have probably close to 400 videos. We take them completely apart and we show you where things are located, how to remove, how to replace things, and how to take the whole engine apart pretty much. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. So that way, guys, we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you guys need to buy replacement parts, radiator fan, module, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we order our parts from. This is a 2013 BMW 328 that we'll be working on. And before we continue, guys, we'll show you where the module is located today. But if you need to remove and replace the radiator fan or get the fan out so you can replace the module, we'll guys have the complete video on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out, guys, Auto Repair, guys. Now, right there on that channel, we take the engines completely apart, cars completely apart, and we just did a timing chain replacement on BMW with that engine that failed, guys, at only 87,000 miles. So we just finished the video. If you want to see electrical videos, okay, how to test the module, engine lights, clearing engine lights, diagnosing the systems, airbags, traction control, all that will be on our electrical car repair live channel. This is our third channel, mostly electrical videos there, guys. So we'll probably have more than 200 electrical videos coming on that BMW there as well. So please check it out. Now, we remove the air filter box. Depending on which engine you have, you may have the air filter box on the front, you may have it on the side. The 4 cylinders, most of them, they have it on the front. 6 cylinders, they have it on the side. Once you guys remove the air filter box, let me just remove that back here because I left it so I don't drop any dust or anything inside the intake hose. This is, guys, your radiator fan. Okay, right there. This is your radiator fan, as you can see. Now that fan can turn on anytime and it can cut your hands and fingers off, so never stick your fingers inside. Always have the car battery disconnected when working on it, guys. Or disconnect the wire, okay, which is on the other side. Now looking at the fan, guys, this thing on the back side right here, this is, guys, the module, the computer for the radiator fan, and that's what controls it. So it is on the back side of the fan. Okay, that thing, the base of the fan, this is the module, guys. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate it. If you want to see how to remove and replace the radiator fan, we'll have the video on how to repair, guys. Check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.